Called to love. We'll never completely agree with another person on everything. Not even our spouse or best friend. Of the nearly 8 billion people in the world right now, there's not a single person like you. That means there won't be anyone with your exact viewpoint on life, politics, money, relationships, or religion. You are uniquely you, and so is the person next to you. Even though we're all different, we can still love others. Why is it important to love people when we clearly don't see eye to eye with? Because Jesus said so. He said, "A new command I give you. Love one another. As I have loved you, so you must love one another." John 13:34 NIV. When Jesus commanded us to love others, he didn't say that we had to agree with him first. So, what does love look like? Love considers others first. Love looks for the best. Love shows respect. Love seeks unity. Love isn't selfish. Love offers the best. Love displays patience. Loving others involves pain. Love means giving of yourself. Love means putting your heart out for someone to potentially wound. Love means being selfless and thinking about the needs of others before we think of our own. We'll never love someone without discomfort accompanying it. It isn't easy and is sometimes unnatural, but loving others is something we're called to do as followers of Jesus. Even with those we don't agree with. Especially those with which we don't agree. There will always be things we have to agree to disagree on. It could be the way we do our finances. Some of us choose to live debt-free, others don't. It could be when we decide to start or end our day. Some of us are early to bed, while others stay up late. Or it could be more serious differences that concern politics, social issues, or current events. Loving others while disagreeing with them at the same time is possible.